Case of an emergency fire, these are the two items I will bring. And Tyler. My name's Jenny. This is my Brooklyn apartment, and I'm gonna show you everything I own. This is our bedroom. It used to be our living room, and now it's our bedroom, but it's much better suited as a bedroom because we get window light and we get to sleep with a nice breeze coming in, so that was our main reasoning for switching. This is my paint station. I just like to keep them open and accessible at all times. So whenever inspiration strikes, you can make a really nice goat painting, make a not so nice mountain scene. I don't know what this is. It's my favorite thing, probably one of my favorite items. Ty bought me this for Christmas, but we found it at one of our favorite secondhand shops, Dobbin Street Vintage, and it's just really cool. It's really unique, and I think it really tied together the whole room. Longest time I could not figure out how to organize all my earrings because I have a ton of earrings. Found this really cool lapis shell placemat, which I thought was really fun, so I just laid them all out almost as a decor because they're so beautiful, shell based. Some of them in there, they all switch out to get their place in the limelight. This is a fun mirror. This plant with a little decoration of a Portuguese fishnet. This is my favorite little section of the apartment for a few reasons. I love sleeping and I also love napping. So my bed is very important to me. And I'll tell you a little bit more about this very awesome comforter, which is from Buffy, which is happily in collaboration with this video because they make the coolest comforters. What's really cool about Buffy is the inside is 100% recycled plastic, so they divert BPA-free plastic water bottles from landfills and then they create them magically into this fluffy filling, which is super, super soft, and you would never know that you are sleeping with water bottles. And then the outside is 100% eucalyptus fiber, which is a natural fiber, and it's actually softer than cotton and naturally soothes your skin. So it's also non-toxic, and 99% of the solvents are reused and creates very little waste. Buffy also comes with a complimentary 30-day at-home trial, so if you want to try it out, you can feel it for yourself, see how you like it, and give her a go. So I'm gonna have that linked in the description box below if you guys want to try out Buffy. This is our newest addition, which is this Peggy Hopper print. I had been looking for a piece of her work online for months, and I walked into a vintage store the other day. Here she was, just waiting for me to swoop her up and bring her home. This is our #1 plant in the house. She is thriving in her environment, and I just aim to be like her every single day. This is a Monstera plant also, for all of you that might ask. It's a deer photo that is very old that I got back in Colorado. This I painted about a B+. This is our nice, beautiful crown molding shelf. It's one of our amenities. We just like to keep our little knickknacks up here. I'm in French too right now, so merci. Essential oils, some fun vases that are all thrifted. That's an old coffee mug. This is a baby turtle because in Panama we saw baby turtles hatch from the beach, and so I saw this in an art store and I had to buy it because it reminded me of that. I just like to collect anything that is animal related. This is a seal that Isabel brought me back from Paris. This is also a really amazing painting that we got from the same Dobbin Street Vintage. Ty and I both fell in love immediately when we saw it. My favorite one right now is called Voices in the Ocean. It's about dolphins and spirituality. Kind of fun. Friend Sophie gave that to me. Exchanges with friends are very nice. Something great about this apartment is that we actually have a lot of storage and we actually have a lot of stuff. So this is one of our closets. Winter coats are really taking up the primary space in here, but I do have some really nice activities. Badminton, if you ever want to play. There's a yoga mat that's really stuffed in there. I use it a lot. We all have our skeletons. But this is our surf bathroom. This is Ty's designated space to do whatever he wants with, and I'm really happy for him. So, really fun kitchen stuff. Scrubber. I would call myself a dishware connoisseur of sorts. In a set of 4, but they are amazing, handmade. These are from Hawkins, New York, so you can actually buy those. They're made from recycled glass. Little cute mango and watermelon on it. This is Ty's beautiful print. He went to Portugal and took this beautiful photo, and I cherish it. It's called Vegan, the cookbook. Very straightforward, but what's cool is it has so many recipes and they're from all around the world. So highly recommend. We got the very first night we moved in. I found it from a girl on Instagram who was just selling it for $200. Major steal. It's a nice like butcher block, custom made table with these awesome piping for the legs. And then these dark wood are removable. I think it's super cute. Our table here was getting really cluttered, so this is kind of a solution. So we keep like any kind of fruits and veggies that can sit out. This is also one of my favorite things. I've thrifted this. Just very cute little fruity jar. This here is one of my favorite finds ever. It looks like a 4th grader painted it, but that's okay because it just reminds me of like a sunny beach house. I got a Vitamix for Christmas this year. It was a refurbished, on sale. I love her. Also, all the other appliances, crock pot, rice cooker, soda stream, all of the essentials. Now, here's my closet. So this is where the magic happens. So I keep all my clothes in here. Does a good job. I have these little shelves for like my jeans and sweater. There's things that I can't reach very well, but sometimes I hop to get them. Forgot to show you, Ty's closet is in here, which is a little bit unconventional. He sacrificed the kitchen closet for his clothing. Yeah, look at this lovely wardrobe. What a well-fashioned man. So we finally got a couch. This one is from Burrow. It's really nice for watching copious amounts of TV on. This rug is also secondhand from Dobbin Street. This coffee table we got from Craigslist. We just have some like fun little trinkets on our coffee table. hopefully hold a TV, but I don't know if that actually will ever happen. And photography books, Secret Language of Birthdays. This is a fun coffee table book for like all your friends to come over and read. So it's a good party starter. What is this? What is this? Is the steal of the century called. We found this for $5 on the street. I think it's a lamp from IKEA, but it's really cool. It just like pops right in and out. And we call this room our den because we wanted it to be cozy, really warm to like relax in, especially at night. Makes it really, really cozy in here. So bathroom. This is honestly the bathroom I've always dreamed of. I love that we have natural light in our bathroom. Love it. It's such a great way to display things, keep things organized. I feel bad for Tyler because I really have taken over this bathroom with products. He says he doesn't mind. We meant to buy a real shower curtain and just never got around to it, so we just have this really saucy see-through curtain. Well, it works just fine. The brushes are good for your bathroom. We have some nice matches for no reason at all. Got off of Cold Picnic. On their website, sometimes they do sample sales. It's like a little miscut, so I got it for like 50% off, which was awesome. This is typically used, I think, for like outdoor use, for gardening and like plants. I picked this up secondhand and I just use it for all my makeup on top and then just like backup products and stuff like that. Nail polishes, that's always fun. This cute little lip balm. And everyone asks about a lot. I cannot remember the name of it, which makes me feel like such a lame-o. It's great for hosting. So that's our apartment. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little tour. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them below. Again, if you want to check out Buffy, it'll be linked below in the description. And thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.